I always find this cycle very useful when I'm differentiating trigonometric functions. Sin x, as we've seen, differentiates to give cos x. It can be shown that cos x differentiates to give minus sin x. Since sin x differentiates to give cos x, it follows that minus sin x differentiates to give minus cos x. Since cos x differentiates to give minus sin x, it follows that minus cos x must differentiate to take us back to sin x. It really is worth remembering this cycle, especially since integration is the reverse process, and so all you need to do is put the arrows in the opposite direction when you come to integrate trigonometric functions. When using this, or when differentiating, we must always remember that angles are measured in radians. The reason for this is the approximation we used in the derivation, that sine delta x tends to delta x as delta x tends to 0, only works when the angle is measured in radians.